Very warm welcome to our Facebook page. So let's get started with our today's video. You have to draw face first, then draw the lower body in this way. Now make a skirt and a hat as shown. Draw legs of the girl and color her shoes. Enhance the beauty of her dress like this. Make circles in the same alternate manner as shown in the video. In the center, make this and now draw leaves like this. Color this flower. For next drawing, you have to make leaf like this. Draw alternate leaves on the branches as shown in the video. Now make hanging vegetables on this branch. Green veggies are made. Draw this pattern on a white sheet for making a rose. Draw leaves on this too and color this beautiful rose. Make wings on the sheet in this manner. Draw another butterfly just below the first one and like this, color both of them. Draw leaves and emerging from it, draw flowers with a curvy branch. Color green leaves and flowers pink. Draw petals of flower. Make various different flowers in the same exact manner. Now draw stem in between these flowers and color it as per your choice. Start making this drawing by making face first, then draw hairs and t-shirt of the girl like this. Now color her. You can make a mouse by drawing his ears and face with curvy nature. Now draw his arms and legs like this. Don't forget to add a tail. Follow these steps to make sandals. I think these are the sandals of Cinderella. Make sure to make them precisely. Color them red. Draw a tilted heart and make pattern inside. Now draw the face along with the beak and then make feathers. Finalize it by making legs and now this is ready. Follow these steps as shown in the video. Draw this outline and make nails too on the fingers. This little cute hand is ready. Yes, just in few seconds. Thank you for watching this video.